Hey friends, if you encounter ERR HTTP2 protocol error on your Google Chrome browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, first of all, before anything else, make sure that your Chrome is not obsolete, so you have to update Chrome. So search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, and then you can select this option here for help, and then select on About Google Chrome. It will start updating Chrome to the latest version. The next solution is to clear cache and cookies on the Chrome browser. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select History and then click on History once again. Click on Delete Browsing Data. Make sure that the time range is set at all time. Select Delete Data. The next one is to disable extensions. Search for Chrome and then open Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions and then manage extensions. Now, let us say we had any difficult extension here. Okay, I'll add one because I don't usually add extensions. Let us say we had this crappy extension here. Okay, I'll add it. So if I had it and if it was creating problems, then all I had to do was try to disable it first. If that helps solve the problem, well and good. And if it does, then simply remove it because now we know what the problem is and we need to remove the problem permanently. And the last solution is to reset the Chrome browser. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select settings from the menu. Go to the reset settings tab on the list on the left hand side. Select restore settings to their original defaults and then select reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.